In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stunning neon text effect using just a few simple tools. Whether you're designing a vibrant poster or creating an eye-catching graphic for social media, this effect is sure to grab attention. Now, let's dive right into the process. First things first, we need to set the right tone for our design with a black background. In the Tools window to your left, you'll find the Paint Bucket tool, which looks like a small icon of a paint bucket. Once you've selected it, make your way over to the Colors window. Here, you'll select black, which will act as the perfect backdrop for our glowing text. After selecting black, simply click on the canvas. With just this simple action, your background will change to a rich, dark black, setting the stage for the neon effect we're about to create. Now, with our background in place, let's add the main element, the text. Head over to the Layers menu and select Add New Layer. This step ensures your text is on a separate layer, making it easier to edit and manipulate. Once you've added a new layer, navigate back to the Tools window and select the Text tool represented by a big letter A. For this design, we'll choose a bright green color from the Colors window. Click on your canvas and type out the word neon. You'll see your text appear in the vivid hue of green against the black background, making it pop. Next, to create that mesmerizing glow effect, we need to duplicate our text layer. Over in the Layers window, situated at the bottom right of your screen, right-click the text layer you've just created and select Duplicate Layer. Your canvas now contains two identical text layers, one for the main text and another for the glow. It's important to select the bottom layer, as this will be transformed into the glow itself. With the bottom layer selected, let's add some blur to achieve that glowing effect. Navigate to the Effects menu, hover over Blurs, and choose Gaussian Blur from the options. Adjust the radius slider to around 30, then hit OK. Instantly, you'll notice a soft glow emerging from behind the text, creating the first layer of our neon effect. To take it a step further and make the glow truly vibrant, ensure you're still working on the glow layer. Head over to Adjustments and select Hue Saturation. Here, gently slide the hue bar until you discover a striking neon color, like blue, pink, or even another shade of green. Then increase the saturation to its maximum, 200, and click OK. And there you have it, a dazzling neon text effect that's sure to catch the eye. By layering these steps, you've crafted an impressive neon glowing text. This technique can be a great addition to your design toolkit, offering endless possibilities for creativity. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time for more exciting tips and tricks.